Hi there, students. A trend, to trend, trendy, trending. Okay, a trend is a current direction of change. The general direction a situation or a style or an attitude is moving, yeah? A general movement towards something different. So there was an upward trend in the market. The market had been doing something different, and then for a period of time it generally went upwards. It might have gone down, but if you look at the average or the overall thing, the trend was upwards. A downward trend. It could go up during a downward trend, but yeah, that's the idea of a trend. Notice a trend can be a fashion. So we have the adjective trendy, which means fashionable. This area is full of trendy shops. There are lots of people in the trendy restaurants. I see you have a trendy pair of new shoes. So if you call something trendy as an adjective, you're saying it's very fashionable, it looks very smart and new. We also, in internet, have this word trending. If something is trending, it's a subject that lots of people are posting about it, are writing about it, are commenting about it in a very short time. So there's a sudden public interest in this matter. So I don't know, at the moment England's win against Australia is trending, and India's fantastic win against the West Indies as well. I'm sorry, I'm talking about cricket. Okay, so a trend, a direction of change. So if something's changing, it's trending towards something new, towards something different. A gradual change towards it. A fashion. The trend in clothes nowadays is to wear very smart clothes. There is a trend towards 1960s outfits at the moment. Something that's trendy is something fashionable. Yeah? People generally follow a trend. People are sheep, so they see somebody do something and then they all copy it. So to follow a trend, the people were following the trend. The market price continued with its upward trend. It followed yesterday's trend. We also have this phrase, to buck a trend. So to go in the opposite direction of a trend. So the market was decreasing, but bank shares bucked the trend, went in the other direction. Let's see, global warming is a way of talking about the current trend for the climate to become hotter. Yeah, there is a trend in the weather which shows that winters are warmer and summers are a lot hotter. So a trend, a general direction. So what about origin? Well, this comes from Old English, trendan, to revolve or relate, and I think it's probably then related to Germanic languages, but that you could tell me. So notice, a trend as a noun. We use a trend. There is a trend in this. To trend, to trend towards, to trend in a certain direction. Trendy as an adjective, okay, meaning fashionable. And then trending, something that people are commenting about a lot at the moment, a popular current subject. Oh, I didn't talk about formality. I think this word trend is neutral formality. You could use it informally and formally, in the most formal document or in an informal conversation. I think the word trendy, meaning fashionable, this I would reserve only for informal conversations. If you were doing something more formal, I think you would say in fashion, fashionable. And then trending. This is a word for internet. I guess you could use it informally and formally as well. Also note, to trend is a regular verb. It trended towards. It has trended in this direction. So, trend. A current or prevailing direction of movement. The general gradual direction that a change is taking. To follow a general course. And then a trend, a fashion, which gives us the adjective trendy, fashionable, up to date. A fashionable new car. And then something that's trending is a subject that everybody's posting in internet about. Something that is on everyone's lips and has suddenly appeared recently. So there we go, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trend. Trendy. Trendy.